So this is going to be my first vlog here in China. So I finally was able to find a place to stay. But right now we're about to actually head to the subway. We are going to check out the IKEA here and to see basically how it compares basically to what we are used to in America. So I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. Thank you for stopping by my channel. Hope to have more videos coming what I got from IKEA. Okay, so and then I'll basically just give you a breakdown of how much it would cost in US dollars. Okay, so first thing I got is this pot set. You can see it here. The US dollar is about 6.3, 6.4 RMB. So this is like a duvet cover, and it comes with, let me pull it comes with 2 pillowcases and a duvet cover. Okay, and this is what it looks like. It's a simple design. I liked it because I could basically add whatever color sheets I want underneath it. So whenever I'm ready to switch it up and, you know, make my room here look a little bit different, I can do that. Okay, and then of course my next 2 purchases were the pillows to go inside. And then the pillows, which are somewhat fluffy, but I don't expect them to last very long, so we're just gonna, you know, do what we can. Then the next thing I got were these 2 plates, just simple white plates, and I needed 2 of them because there's only one me. I got this. So this is IKEA's like duvet stuffing. So I think that was everything. Pillows. Oh, I got candles. Hold on. I'm back. So I had to go and get the candles. So I got 2 of these like purple candles. They are supposed to be like blackberry, as you can see, and they don't smell like blackberry whatsoever. But if anybody knows, IKEA candles are very cheap. Thank you for watching this video. I did want to show IKEA. I didn't get to show different places, but hopefully in the future I'll be able to show like different places that are normal, I guess, to US citizens. Thank you. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you like it and you want to see more videos. Make sure you hit subscribe so that way you can watch me on my journey here for the next year that I will be here in Beijing, China. All right, thank you. Bye.
Oh yeah, yeah. I'm your basic average girl, and I'm here to save the world. You can't stop me 'cause I'm king.